making evening snacks. The name of the recipe is crispy chili babycorn. I have taken boiled babycorn, then added white flour 2 tablespoons, corn flour 1 tablespoon, ginger and garlic paste 1 tablespoon, salt as per your taste, then added some water, then mix it properly and wait for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, heat the oil and dip the babycorn into the oil like this, guys. Deep fry the babycorn in a high flame. Then wait for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, again deep fry the babycorn in the same way. See, guys, all babycorn are well fried. Now we will come to the gravy process. Heat the oil and pour ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Then added chopped onions, soya sauce 2 tablespoons, tomato sauce half cup. Here I have taken red chili tomato sauce. Then stir these ingredients then added chopped capsicum, sugar as per your taste, and salt Now add 1 tablespoon vinegar. Two tablespoons corn flour. Stir these ingredients and pour some water. Then cook for 10 minutes. See guys, my gravy is almost ready. And then add some black pepper powder. My gravy is ready now. Pour the all fried baby corn. And mix. Here guys, delicious crispy chili baby corn is ready, like in a restaurant type. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe, like and share to my channel. Thank you.